Hi viewers, good day to all. I am Wasim. Welcome to my channel Excel Airlines 619. Sorry for the delay because since from 4 months I was doing the night shift duty. Now my shift has been changed. Once in a week I will upload the tutorials. In today's tutorial I am going to talk about count formula series. Before I switch on laptop screen, I want to clarify that count formula and sum formula both are totally different. Count formula is used to count the quantities, whereas sum formula is used for to add the numerical values or calculate the numerical values. Okay, I hope you understood between count and sum. There are different types of count like count A, count if, count ifs, count blanks and concatenate. Apart from this, concatenate formula is totally different. Concatenate formula is used to combine the data from different cell into one cell. In this scenario, we have to use the concatenate formula. These all formula commands are totally different. Okay. To learn briefly about count formula series, let's switch on laptop screen.
Viewers, right now I am on my laptop screen. This is my data sheet. In this active cell, I will show you how count formula work. Okay, is equals to count count, open bracket. Now I am selecting this numerical value range, close the bracket and press enter. The result is 5. Viewers, if I replace any numerical value into alphabetical value, then count formula never count alphabetical values. Let me show you. If I replace 20, here I will type my name, Wasim, okay, WASEM, enter. See, it's displaying result as 4 because count formula will count only numerical values 30, 50, 50 plus 10. If I remove alphabetical value into numerical value, then result will be 5. See? It's very simple. Viewers, always remember count formula is used for to count the numerical value. Sum formula is used for to add the numerical values. I hope you understood the difference between count and sum. That's all about count formula. Count A formula. Viewers, in this data sheet, I will show you how count A formula work. In this active cell, I will use the count A formula. Okay, is equals to count A, open bracket. Viewers, now I am selecting this numerical value range, close the bracket and press enter. The result is 24. Okay, viewers, remember count A formula count each and everything except empty cells. Let me show you. If I remove this whole numerical values, the answer is 18. See, count A formula never count empty cell. If you type instead of numerical value, for example alphabetical value, if I type my name WASC, here automatically count is increasing, EM. Count A formula will count numerical value as well as text value. If you add space value, for example if you add here space, I press space button, now result is 24. See, count formula will count each and everything except empty cells. If I type here M, it's showing 24. If I delete here, 23. If you press space button, it's automatically display as 24. See, I hope friends you have understood about count A formula. Count blanks formula. Viewers, in this data sheet, I will show you how count blanks formula will work. Okay, is equals to count blanks tab. Okay, now I am selecting this numerical value range, close the bracket and press enter. The result is 0. Why? Because count formula not found any empty cells. If I remove 78, now it's showing 1 because here is the empty cells. Count formula will count only empty cells. If you press space, then it never count. See, if you add any numerical value or alphabetical value, it show as 0. See, if you remove data from the cell, then it show 1. If I remove this, 2. See, the data is increasing here. I hope friends you have understood about count blanks formula. Count if formula. Viewers, in this data sheet I will show you how count if formula work. Before I use the count if formula, I want to show how count if formula work here. See, if I am typing here any candidate name, I will use Asif, ASIF, press enter. See, it's showing Asif taken amount 4 times. The sum of amount is 12,830 rupees. The Asif records is highlighted in yellow color. I want to know the how many time amount taken. Okay. Viewers, in this active cell, I will use the count if formula is equals to COUNT open bracket. Is asking about range. My range is candidate name. Okay, I'm selecting this range. Comma, criteria. Second is asking about criteria. Criteria is nothing but this cell, because in this cell I will type the candidate name. So this cell is nothing but my criteria. And close the bracket, press enter. Now it's showing 0. If I type Asif name here, okay, ASIF. Asif taken the amount 4 times. See, it's showing as 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Asif has taken the amount 4 times. How much he have taken? I want to know the sum of amount values. Here I will use the sum if formula is equals to SUMIF open bracket. Asking about first range. Range is nothing but candidate name, comma, criteria. Criteria is nothing but this cell. This cell is nothing but my criteria, okay, comma. Now is asking about sum range. Sum range is nothing but amount received column, okay. Close the bracket and press enter. That's it. 12,830 rupees Mr. Asif has been received the amount in 4 times. 9th October, 14th October, 19th October and 23 October. Viewers, right now October month is going on, but October month is not finished. Just for explanation, I have used these dummy dates. I hope friends you have understood about count if formula and sum if formula. Viewers, if you want to add the day name here with the help of formula, it's very simple. I will show you. I am removing these day names. See, okay, is equals to text, text, okay, value. This cell is nothing but my value, comma, in double quotes type 3 times D, 1, 2, 3, and close the double quotes and close the bracket and press enter. Showing Friday. If you want to type full name, then you add one more D here. Press enter. See, now drag from top to bottom. See, it's very simple. Viewers, if you want to highlight the records based on name wise, it's very simple. Clear this first, okay, clear the rule and dash it, okay. Now I will show you how to highlight the row of particular candidate according to the name wise, okay. First, select the data here, okay, click on conditional formatting, then click on new rule, select the option use of formula to determine which cell to format. Click here and click here, format value where this formula is true. Click here and type is equals to and click here and click here candidate names, okay. Now remove the dollar before the row, go on format option, click on yellow color and press OK. Okay, that's it. If you type Atif, 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 the Atif record highlighted in yellow color. See, amount taken 4 times and sum of amount is 13,088. I hope friends you have understood about count if formula, sum if formula, conditional formatting, as well as how to add the day names according to the date wise. Count ifs formula. Viewers, in this datasheet I will show you how count ifs formula will work. Before I use the formula, I want to clarify the data first. First of all, I want to know that how many mechanical engineers are belongs to from USA country. I want to know that. This is my data sheet, serial number, designation and country. So here I want to get the result is equals to COUNTIFSIFs open bracket criteria range 1. This column is nothing but my criteria range 1, comma, criteria 1 is nothing but my this cell. In this cell I will add the designation, comma, criteria range 2 is nothing but my country column, comma, and criteria 2 is nothing but my this cell K4. In this cell I will add the country name, okay. Close the bracket and press enter. Now I want to know that mechanical engineers is belongs to from USA. How many? I will copy mechanical engineer from here, I will paste here mechanical engineer from USA. Control C, Control V. Result is 4. Means in this data table, the 4 mechanical engineers belongs to USA. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes. I hope friends you have understood about count-ifs formula. Remember that count-ifs formula will work on multiple conditions. Okay. Concatenate formula. Viewers, concatenate formula is used to combine the two data into the one cell. Here, Shah Rukh and Khan is equals to CON, concatenate tab, text 1. Text 1 is nothing but my first name, comma. Now you have to use the double quotes for Shah Rukh and Khan. Between these two words, you have to add one space. Okay, double quotes. Now I am pressing the space button. Okay, now close the double quotes, comma, text 3. Text 3 is nothing but my last name. Close the bracket and press enter. See, Shah Rukh Khan. To combine the two data into one cell, in this scenario, we have to use the concatenate formula. Now drag from top to bottom. That's it. I hope friends you have understood about concatenate formula. If you understood this tutorial, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. I will meet you in next tutorial with new topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Wasim is signing off.